Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you add money to PayPal from a debit card. So let's get into the video. So firstly, go to your PayPal. So if you want to add into your PayPal, if you see normally you don't have the option to add money using your debit card. So for example, if you want to add money here, if I'm going to add money in, so I will only have the option to use my bank account, not credit card. So we can't really add money using our debit card. But so the workaround we have in order if you want to add money to your PayPal via a debit card. So what you can do is firstly you can request for money. So for example, I will show you today. Click on send and request. So when you click on send and request here, go to the request tab here. So use an email address or a phone number of yours that's not linked to your PayPal yet. So for example, I'm going to use my email address which is not linked to my PayPal, and I'm going to send a payment link to his email address here. So that's my email address. It's not linked, so make sure it's not linked to your PayPal or your phone number. You can use the email or phone number. So do that, and then I'm going to type in the amount that I want to send the request for. For example, $1. That's fine. Then I'll click on request now. So this will generate an email, a request email to a request to my email. So now I'm going to open my email that I just used. So let me use that email. All right, let me load that up. So I'm going to access that the invite that I just sent. So this one here. Okay, so here this is the request that I just sent. So now I have the pay now option here. So I'm going to use this option here and then pay using my credit card, and then so make sure don't log in. So you will end up with this screen here. Don't log in because you're not going to use your PayPal to pay for this. So you're going to use your credit card. So you can just hit on pay as guest. So click on pay as guest and then give and then pay using your debit card details, and then you can make the payment. So in that way you can make a payment to your PayPal account by using your debit card in an indirect method. So as we can't directly add money through a debit card. So that's pretty much the workaround we have. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.